Hello there. Today I'm back at Stanley Park. Just flew around the site. We've just the last piece has just been lifted out of the old upper tier, so that is on the way in this video. Zoomed in as well for anyone that's bothered about that. So if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button below, leave us a comment in the comment section, like and share the video, and we'll get into this video now. We are going to go and check about this chair, see if it's here. Oscar's here today for he's off school for half term, so he wanted to come down. So there's the site just behind us, and we're going to get into it. So take care of yourselves, and we will see you soon. The video's a bit ropey here because we were trying to catch them lifting the last part of it up a standout, but we just missed it, unfortunately. But you can see it clearly on the floor, and we do zoom into that. So there you go, it has all been taken out now. As you can see, the upper tier there, where it is completely empty. So you can see there, getting rid of all them seats. The seats I was told there was none left of before. Yeah. Still waiting on them final glass panes to be installed. So yeah. Don't forget about our live stream this Sunday at 11 AM UK time. We do go live at the site every Sunday, and it is at 11 o'clock. We'll see you then. Take care.